upon exiting.
There's the elevators again. Oh, we could ride the shuttle. Cool.
The Circus tram safely transports a maximum of 30 people. For your safety, please do not ride the tram if 30 people have already boarded. Things are getting spicy at the all-new El Jefe's Cantina. Now open at Circus Reno. Enjoy hot Mexican food and cool margaritas at downtown Reno's newest Mexican restaurant.
So it hits
The
the project.
reimagined Carnival Midway
Interesting.
of Fun has a new and improved look, new games, and free daily circus shows from amazing Cirque-style performers. Kids and adults alike are sure to have a fun-filled experience. The Circus tram safely transports a maximum of 30 people. For your safety, please do not ride the tram with 30 people.
It's like higher.
That's pretty high.
There's a cruise in a second.
Please clear the doorway and be seated. Hold the handrails for your safety. Thank you. Things are getting spicy at the all-new El Jefe's Cantina, now open at Circus Reno. Enjoy hot Mexican food and cool margaritas at downtown Reno's newest Mexican restaurant. The reimagined Carnival Midway of Fun has a new and improved look, new games, and free daily circus shows from amazing Cirque-style performers. Kids and adults alike are sure to have a fun-filled experience. Grab-and-go coffee has arrived at Circus Reno. Sips Coffee and Tea is located on the casino floor next to the hotel check-in and features hot lattes, iced coffee, tea, and a selection of fresh baked donuts, bear claws, croissants, and more. Delicious casual food is now at Circus Reno. Visit the all-new food court located across from the Midway. Here, you'll be able to try Reno's very first Habit Burger Grill, signature orange chicken from Panda Express, and a build-your-own pizza at Paisana Pizza Kitchen. Scrumptious breakfast food, piping hot coffee, refreshing smoothies, mimosas all morning long. If you love having breakfast fare every day, Madame Butterworth's Curious Cafe is for you. Start your day right, located across from the Midway. Cheers, Japanese style. Sake is rocking, and sushi is rolling. At Kampai Sushi, open daily for lunch and dinner, and featuring all-you-can-eat sushi at the Sushi Bar. Book your next party at XP Arcade and Party Rooms, the newest video game room in town featuring the latest and greatest in arcade games. Remain seated until the shuttle comes to a complete stop, and watch your step upon exiting. Thank you.
To go. Should be going in a second.